Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing. Back up any custom fonts, icons, or layout you may want to restore later. Once ready, open the Themes app or go to Settings, Wallpaper and Style. MIUI Routes controls both places. If the phone asks, sign into your My account to ensure full theme options are visible. You do this because some theme elements sync with the cloud, and having an account prevents loss and exposes the uninstall or reset options you'll use next. Once in My Themes or Downloads, locate the active theme and tap to view details, then choose Remove or Revert to Default. This restores MIUI stock look. If the option is grayed out, go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, find Themes, and use Clear Data to strip custom resources. Make sure to reboot afterward. You clear data because some themes are applied at the system app level and must be reset there to fully remove icons, sounds, and lock screen changes. After removing the theme, reboot the device so the default resources apply consistently. Make sure to clear the launcher cache or reinstall the launcher app if icons or widgets still show themed assets, since home screen elements are cached separately. If the theme resists removal, boot into safe mode to disable third-party launchers, and only consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing up data. You do this to ensure a clean, predictable use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.